Hey gang, it's Chris from Ecoustics, and I'm here at Samsung's QA Labs in New Jersey. And one of the TVs we're checking out today is the brand new 2025 8K model. It's a Neo QLED 8K. Model number is QN990F, and we're looking at it at an 85-inch size. It's also available in 65, 75, and even up to a 98-inch size, which I think is a first for Samsung's 98-inch 8K series of TVs. So we're going to check out some of the features on this TV that make it cool. One of the additions to the 8K lineup in 2025 is that it's using the anti-glare screen technology that the company first introduced in 2024 with their OLED TV. So what this helps to do is diffuse the light, ambient light, and allow the TV to still look pretty good in a brightly lit room. So that's something that's new on the LED LCD TV, specifically the 8K model this year. The wireless One Connect box allows you to actually plug all your components into a separate box, so you don't have to worry about HDMI connections on the TV itself. And if we take a look behind, you can see there aren't any. The only thing that this TV needs is a power plug, and then I'll show you the wireless Connect box, which is over here next to the fake tree. I think it's a fake tree. The wireless Connect box allows you to connect all the components, cable box, Blu-ray player, etc., into this device, and then it wirelessly transmits to the TV itself up to 8K resolution, 120 hertz, from up to 10 feet away. Some of the big improvements this year have been to the AI. A lot of TV companies are focusing in on AI to make their TVs easier to use and smarter, and easier to display and find content. So a few of the new features in Samsung Vision AI 2 or AI squared are things like click to search, which allows you to click one button and search content and discover new content that's in line with your previous viewing habits. A live translate feature that allows you to actually translate content, even from live broadcasts, instantly into other languages, which is kind of cool. If you're watching Spanish football, for example, so Spanish soccer, as some of you may call it, it'll translate the commentator's voice into English. Although I think goal is the same in any language. Samsung Food allows you to display recipes in real time. I don't know why. You're certainly not going to have one of these in your kitchen, unless you have a really big kitchen. But it's an interesting feature. Generative wallpaper allows you to create custom wallpaper on the TV to display when you're not watching actual TV shows based on AI prompts. So that's kind of an interesting feature we've seen on some other TVs as well. Home Insights allows you to get mobile alerts about smart components in your home environment, like maybe the stove or the oven just finished baking a cake, or your Samsung smart washer dryer combo just finished the load. So that's integrated into the TV's interface. And also pet and family care. This is kind of interesting if you've got a senior family member or someone who may be differently abled at home alone, or even pets, dogs and cats who are home alone. You can actually use the microphone and the camera built into the TV to keep an eye on things when you're not home and actually get alerts. Like if someone's fallen and they can't get up, or if the cat's jumped up on the counter and started chewing some of that poinsettia plant, which, as we all know, is not good for pets, then you can actually use the camera built into the TV to see what's going on back at home. So again, this one's 8K. We don't have pricing yet. But it's a pretty stunning looking picture, I have to say. And the larger the screen gets, the more important the resolution gets. So I'd imagine this on a 98-inch version looks even more impressive. That's it for now. Stay tuned. So I did put on some pretty challenging content from the Kaleidoscape on the 8K Samsung, and it did a really great job playing back credits, like scrolling white text on a black background without seeing too much in the way of blooming, haloing. Was it up to OLED standards? Maybe not, but for MiniLED, QLED TV, it looked excellent. You can see the eye from Blade Runner up on the screen right now. Another very cool scene in the 4K remaster of Blade Runner, the Final Cut. So we'll say the QLED 8K Samsung TV for 2025. Definitely stunning picture quality. Assuming the price tag is going to be pretty high, but if you're looking for 8K, there aren't a lot of choices these days, and the Samsung QLED 8K seems to be a winner.